Hey everybody, Dustin here from OCD, San Diego's most obsessed detailing and protection company. Today we're going to talk about detailing. So we have three main packages that we like to offer our customers. Sometimes it goes off of budget and expectations. Sometimes it just goes off of how dirty the car is and what it needs to have happen on it. So on a base level, we call this a minor OCD. This is our entry level package that we're going to bring customers in on. What we're going to do is a full chemical decontamination. We're going to use metal oxide removers, mineral oxide removers, and we're going to do a fine clay bar to get the roughness off the top of the system, or the paint system, as well as clean the pores out of that paint system as well, rather than skipping a step. So we call this a decon wash. We're going to do this, blow out all the cracks and crevices so it's a drip-free as much as possible. We're going to clean up the wheels, the tires, and the wheel wells. We're going to wipe out door jams. On the inside, we do a very thorough vacuum, an interior wipe down, and kind of high traffic areas like cup holders and door cups kind of get detailed out. And then we're going to do a windows in and out. We're going to put a strong sealant on it. It's anywhere from 6 to 12 months of life that we put on the exterior, some tire shine, and that's our first detail. This one usually comes really good for like past ceramic coating customers, or maybe a customer that hasn't washed their car in a while and it just doesn't feel smooth anymore. Maybe it looks dull to the touch. That we want to start this out with a really deep cleansing wash for our customers. That brings us to our next package. Maybe that interior isn't quite enough and we need a little bit more detailing efforts on the inside. So we're going to keep it the same for this package as far as the wash from that minor OCD. This package is called our moderate OCD. So just a little bit more OCD and stepping up to the next package. You get that same wash on the exterior, the wheels, the tires, the really strong sealant that puts on there. But then on the inside, we're really going to slow things down just a little bit. And we're going to get an interior cleaner conditioner and a bunch of leather brushes and toothbrushes and boar hair brushes. And we're going to really go over and do a surface-based clean on the leathers, the vinyls, the plastics, and the carpets on the inside. So this is like our medium interior, mini detail, if you will. So we're still touching all those interior surfaces. Takes a couple hours of conditioning on the inside to really just have a more in-depth detail in there. Maybe that doesn't seem like enough. That brings us to our major OCD package. This is going to be our quote-unquote full detail package that we offer to our customers. So you're going to get that chemical decontamination on the exterior, really clean it up as best as possible. We're going to do an engine detail. So that way we get that whole engine bay cleaned up as much as possible, all the components degreased and shined up, while still being safe on your engine, and also using a water-based shine to not make it greasy and gross and attract dust and it's dirtier than it was before. That we're going to do a nice, really good engine detail on there. And then on the inside, we're going to do that same, we call it scrubbing. So all the nooks, the crannies, the leathers, the plastics, the vinyls, all those interior surfaces are still going to get scrubbed and conditioned and some conditioner on there. But then the next step that we're really doing to get a deeper clean on the inside is that you get a full steam clean within that conditioning on all those interior surfaces, as well as a full shampoo or extraction, if you will. So then that way we're really getting deeper cleanse of the interior rather than a scrub and wipe down from that moderate OCD. So these are going to be the three different packages that we have, and we'd love to get you any of those. If you're not sure which one fits your needs or how dirty your car is or how clean your car is, come and see us at the shop so we can put some eyes on it. Sometimes we can borrow from one package to the other and kind of get you a hybrid of what we've already pre-built. But any of these packages are going to take care of your needs and have you leaving this shop feeling like a new person. It's like leaving a barber shop when you feel good, you look good. It's just like your car when you're driving down the road. You feel good in what you just got done. And that's why we love clean cars here at OCD. So anyway, give me a call, come by the shop, and I can't wait to work with you today on one of our comprehensive detailing packages.